everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today is going to be phenomenal. We're going to be doing brats or sausages on the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite, and we're going to be using the rotisserie attachment. You're not going to want to miss this one. Let's go ahead and get into the cook. Alright guys, so this is what we got. We got a 5-pack of brats on this attachment. Now the attachment is very easy to use. It's super simple to put together. It shows you how to use it in the instructions. So I've got all the brats on here. It took me just a few minutes. That's it. So all we're going to do is go ahead and throw this into the air fryer. And actually I'll be coming out with a video to show how to use every accessory on this Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. We'll see you at the air fryer in just a minute. Alright guys, we are at the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. We got our brats on, and as you've seen in all my other videos, we're going to go ahead and put these things in. We're going to hit that button, put it back just like that, and we're going to close this up. And we're actually going to be cooking these things at 400 degrees. Make sure to hit the rotisserie button, and we're going to roll for 12 minutes. We'll see you in 12 minutes. Okay guys, we ran for about 10 minutes, so what I had to do, I just want to show you real quick. There's a splash guard that sits on top right up here in this thing. I took it out because the sausage was hitting a little bit, so we're going to roll for about 10 minutes. They look really good, but we're going to go ahead and close this thing up, and we're actually going to go back on 400 for another 5 minutes, and we should be done. Alright guys, we're done. So it was a total of 15 minutes is what I did. I did 10. And then checked, and then 5. So it's been a total of 15 minutes. I'm going to take them out. I know they're done. Oh my gosh. Well, they're dripping everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, my dog will probably come over here and get these. Oh, my dog is going to be salty. You see those juices dripping? Yeah, my dog is going to love that. There's the full view, guys. You can throw up to 8 of these things on here. Phenomenal. Alright, cool. We'll meet you at the cutting board to make these things up. See you in a minute. Alright guys, so we're done. So this is what we ended up with. The brats out of the air fryer. Those look flippin' phenomenal. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Alright. And also, it comes with this little stand. You could just stand them on and let them rest. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and make an awesome brat. We'll see you in a minute. Alright, this is what we got, guys. And the brats turned out amazing. I mean, all of them. Absolutely. Look at that. Just amazing. Just perfectly cooked all the way around, rotisserie. So, I got a nice bun that I got from the bakery. I got some barbecue sauce. I'm going to go ahead and get some barbecue sauce on the bottom here. I'm going to go ahead and throw a brat on there. I got, you see these bell peppers and onions. Oh, some green bell peppers. Some onions. Oh yeah. So this is what we're working with, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and we'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, we are finished with the cook, and it turned out absolutely amazing. I mean, I got a huge brats and bell peppers and all kinds of good stuff in about 15 minutes in the air fryer. Absolutely amazing. So make sure to check out the iCard for the videos and stuff coming. If you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Also check the links below for any additional information. I am definitely going to enjoy the rest of this. And with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.